Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor Classes, and in this particular video we are going to discuss how we can traverse a list using while loop. Okay, so already in my previous video I have discussed how we can traverse a list using for loop. That we can do using while loop also, and simultaneously I will be showing one more concept which is very important for looping statement related concept, that is break statement. Okay, so whatever condition you have given in for loop or while loop, okay, before satisfying the condition, if you want to break the loop earlier, then we can use break statement like other programming language like Java. In Python also break is available. Okay, and if programmers want, then they can break the loop early also using the break. Okay, so I will discuss that using this practice problem. Okay, so what the problem says: given a Python list of integers, you need to print true if 4 contains another 4 next to it in the list. If such things does not occur, then print false. Okay, so what it says, that in the list you have to check consecutive 4s are appearing or not. If appears, return true, else false. As simple as that. Suppose example is input is 5 4 3 2 1, output should be false because no 4 are appearing consecutively. But if you consider the second input 1 2 3 4 4, see 2 4s are appearing consecutively, so output should be true. Okay, so what we can do, first of all, take the input from the user, each list element, and form one list. Okay, so I am doing that first. So my list equal to one empty list I am defining, then L equal to int input, I am taking the length from the user, and then what we can do, I am defining one empty variable. Suppose I equal to 0, then while I less than m. Okay, m equal to int input, then my list dot append m. So like this we are taking input from the user, each time we are taking one by one integer, and then we are appending that in our my list, and each time I will be incremented by I plus 1. Okay, so that's all. Like this we can take input from the user. Now we have to check whether consecutive ones are appearing or not. Okay, so while I less than, this is how we can traverse in list using while loop. So first define one variable I equal to 0, I am defining. Now I less than L minus 1. Now I am writing less than equal to L minus 1. Why L minus 1? Because index of the list maximum is L minus 1, right? There is length of the list minus 1, and each time I will be incremented. Okay, I equal to I plus 1, so that we will basically traverse from left to right in the list. Okay, so now what we will do, we will extract one element, so my list of I, and we will extract the next element also, m is equal to my list of I plus 1. Now what we will do, if ES equal to MS and MS equal to 4, that means if ES equal to MS equal to 4, then what we will do, let me define here one dummy variable G equal to 0. We will be incrementing that dummy variable. Okay, if the condition satisfied, and then I equal to I plus 1 is there. And now after coming out of the while loop, when traversal will be over, we will be checking if G equal to 0 or not. If G equal to 0, we will basically print what? False. Okay, why? Because if G equal to 0, that means ES equal to MS equal to 4, that is 2 consecutive 4 is not appearing in the whole list, so you have to print false, right? You can give semicolon or not, that is your choice. Okay, else print true. Okay, so like this our code should work, but there is one small problem. See, you know well that the maximum index of the list is length of the list minus 1. Like here, if you consider the list is having the length 5 and the maximum element is having the index 4, because index starting from 0 in case of list. But when you are writing this line, that is, you are taking the current element and you will compare with the next element, and if the I goes up to L minus 1, So in our, suppose consider the first test case, here length is 5, so I will go up to 4. What is the index 4 element? That is 1. But what is the, see here we are doing my list of I plus 1. So what is the I plus 1 if I is equal to 4? That is 5, right? And my list of 5 is not present. Okay, so for this you cannot go to next. Okay, so what we will do, we have to take our loop up to L minus 2. Okay, so as a result, when L is 5, I will take maximum value up to 3. Okay, index position 3, and as a result, when I plus 1 will occur, the I plus 1 will become 4 because I is equal to 3, and that element will be taken. Okay, keep these things in your mind. So now if I run the code, first we have to take what is the length of our list, and then see 5 4 3 2 1 are the elements. So 5 4 3 2 and 1. So output we are getting as false. Well and good, which is matching with our test case. Let me run once more. Suppose we are taking this one 1 2 3 4 4. If we write the length as 5, then elements are 1 2 3 4 and 4. We should get output as true because 2 consecutive 4s are appearing. So there is no problem in this particular code, but this is not optimized. Why? You know, suppose our list is like this 6 4 4. Now what will happen? Our code will traverse in throughout the list, right? The loop will occur till end. So here is the problem. We need to only check whether anywhere in the list 2 consecutive 4s are appearing or not. So here itself, when we are getting, then why to traverse further? They have not asked us to count how many times consecutive 4s are appearing. They just asked whether, check whether appearing or not. If appearing, return true, else false. So as soon as we will be getting first consecutive pair of 4, we should break the loop because there is no meaning of further proceeding, right? So what we will do here, if this condition is satisfied, there is ES equal to MS and MS equal to 4, then we will increment G equal to G plus 1, and then and there what we can do, we can break the loop. Okay, very important. So this will make our code optimized. As soon as we will be getting first consecutive pair of 4, it will break the loop, it will directly go to this line. Okay, so but result anyway you will be getting same, that is 5 1 2 3 4 4. See, you will be getting output as true for the second test case which is expected. And suppose I am taking the first test case, suppose 1 2 3 4. What was our first test case? 5 4 3 2 1. Anyway, I am taking in reverse 5 1 2 3 4 5. Again here we are getting false. Okay, so this is what is the concept of break in looping, and this is how we can traverse in a list using while loop. Okay, just you need to start from the leftmost side, which is index equal to 0, and then you have to keep on incrementing the index position like I equal to I plus 1, and extract one by one element my list of I. That is using indexing concept, which I already discussed in my previous video. Okay, so this is what about this particular practice problem. I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. This is all for our this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed our channel till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest video. Thank you.